when you match with your teacher on Tinder. So I'm swiping mindlessly when I see her. Miss Carter, my English teacher. I swipe right as a joke and instantly match. My heart stops. She messages me, but I panic and close the app. Next day in class, "Can you stay after?" she says. Everyone leaves. She shows me her phone with our chat and asks, "What do we do about this?" I'm literally dying inside. Then she smirks and says, "Delete the app." As I do, she leans in. Good. Because my husband wouldn't like this. Then walks out. I didn't breathe for an hour. Most awkward moment of my life.